Hello and welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. In today's video we'll be talking about the emblem that very often is missing on the car. I think we can all agree that if a Mercedes doesn't have his star, it looks like something is missing. It's a bit like if we have a dog without the hair. It's perfectly fine, but it looks like something is missing. Here it's the same thing. If it's missing, if it's broken, something is just not quite right. Okay, so in case yours, you want to change it for anti-theft one, or in case yours is broken, etc. So first thing we'll have to do is to open the bonnet. Now the star we'll be fitting is this one. It's one that I've recovered on another Mercedes that I have. I will place as well the reference number on the video in case you need to buy one. Also, that you should know, these stars fit various models, like for instance the W123, W124, W126. You will find as well two types of star. There's one that's written Mercedes-Benz here. Don't buy that one. This one is made for the later W124 models. It's actually going into a recessed bonnet and all the Mercedes after that. Okay, so it should be the chrome one that you should buy. So it could be flushed with the grille. Okay, so anyway, I will show you now how it works and how we fit it. So how does it work? Look, if you look at the front and the rear part, you see it's a bit more filled, okay? And on the side, you can see it's it's like recessed, okay? And here we've got that kind of U shape. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a pair of pliers, okay? We're gonna place it in the register grille, and then we're gonna grab it and simply turn it. We're gonna give it a quarter turn, and then this part will simply move on the side and it will clip directly under the register grille, and that's it. It will be fitted. Okay, so let's do it now. As you have seen, we fitted it and now it's here. Okay, so now we're gonna put you see it's loose. Okay, we're gonna grab it with the plier and we're gonna give it a quarter turn and it will be fitted. The star is now fitted. It's not moving where it's fitted, and the star can move in any direction we want, so it's perfect. Now if you want to remove it, it will be a bit more tricky because you will have to do exactly the same thing but in reverse. Okay, you'll place the plier as you did before and you will have to grab it and pull it down. You'll have to pull it down about 3 millimeters and turn the opposite way as you've done before. Okay, so then that U shape will just place itself in its sitting, and then you'll be able to pull it out. Okay, if you don't do that, you won't be able to. I should remind you that if you want to participate in his channel in order to buy parts, stuff like that, so I can carry on with the video, you can look at the description of the video where you see a link and you can give whatever you feel like. Okay, so for now that's it. The video is done. I will carry on with some more and I hope that you will like it and that you will subscribe. Until then, take care of yourself. Ciao.